Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard coins in ML. Vanguard coins are a unique currency primarily found on the Mobile Legends Advanced server. They offer an exciting opportunity to earn valuable diamonds for your main game account. Understanding how to acquire and utilize these coins can significantly boost your in-game resources, helping you unlock new content and enhance your gameplay experience. To begin earning Vanguard coins, you must first access the Mobile Legends Advanced server. This special server is where new heroes, game modes, and features are tested before they are released to the public. Playing on this server is the primary and exclusive way to accumulate Vanguard coins, so make sure you have access to it. Once on the Advanced server, earning Vanguard coins involves consistent gameplay. Focus on completing your daily tasks and various quests, as these often reward a good number of coins. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events, such as the Vanguard Benefit event, and ensure you claim your daily login bonuses and weekly mission rewards for a steady coin income. The ultimate goal of collecting Vanguard coins is to exchange them for diamonds on your main Mobile Legends account. You can typically convert 50 Vanguard coins into a certain number of diamonds. Furthermore, a clever strategy involves combining Vanguard coins with promo diamonds to purchase item bundles at a significantly reduced cost, sometimes for as little as 1 diamond.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.